Good morning. Uh, I'm very low on energy because I'm really not a morning person, and it's pretty early in the morning right now. Like it's 7:30. But I want to get up because I want to go to the gym before I head out for shopping. And I plan to go to BULESHWAR market and CRAWFORD market today. I'm going to be joined by two of my other friends who I'm probably going to meet directly over there only. So yeah, बहुत काम करना है. So let me just quickly go to the gym, get ready, and go shopping.
So here I just got back from the gym and I thought I'll just do a little quick skincare before I do my makeup. Obviously, here I'm starting off with cleansed and toned face. First, I'm going to go in with the 5% vitamin C daily face serum by the Dermaco. As we all know, vitamin C is an amazing magic ingredient for brightening skin and fighting pigmentation, and all you need is just 3 to 5 drops of the serum for your entire face and neck, and I gently massage it till it gets completely absorbed. I also quickly want to mention the 5% niacinamide serum that Dermaco has. This is also great for someone like me who has acne prone skin because this helps fight acne scars and pigmentation. So having an AM plus PM skincare with these actives in it really will help someone like me who has acne prone skin, and I have definitely seen a huge change in my skin once I've introduced these things in my skincare routine. And one great thing that I definitely want to mention here is that every time you buy from them, Dermaco will link your product to a child that they will help educate along with Bhumi. So they have already pledged to help around 10,000 plus students across the year, which I thought was a great initiative. So this way you get to help a child in need while you get beautiful skin. So don't forget to use my code Shruti 2022 for getting 20% off the Dermaco website. Alright, now that my face is prepped and beautiful, I am quickly going to go get ready for the day because we have an exciting day planned for us. Also, don't forget to wear sunscreen. Vitamin C, as much as it is a magic ingredient, it can give you the opposite results if you don't follow it up with a sunscreen. So definitely wear sunscreen. I'm just about to go wear my sunscreen on top of this face and just do a little bit of makeup. I'm definitely feeling desi today, so I don't know, I feel like wearing a really nice chicken curry kurta. We'll see. And I'll just get ready and let's go shopping. Excuse me, madam. Excuse me. What are these sunglasses? Can I please? Yes. What are these sunglasses? Are these for 2 crore?
No, they are 200 रुपए के हैं. हिल रोड से लिए मैंने 200 रुपए के.
तुम्हारे कितने के हैं?
499.
हाय हाय.
Must taste. I haven't tasted yet. It's one of the best masala papad you get in Mumbai.
इसको क्या बोलते हैं हिमाली?
हमारी खिचा पापड़. ये पापड़ चावल का बना होता है.
मुझे भी खिलाओ. ठीक है.
Just like Shruti, spicy. मैं हमेशा खाती हूँ जब भी आती हूँ.
हाय हाय मिर्चे.
The guy is judging.
Like I get.
So what? I think sunlight is that side. We're taking a closer view.
अच्छा लड़कियों इधर आओ, अपने नए चश्मे दिखाओ. अच्छा तुम लोगों ने नहीं पहना?
इसने लिया ही नहीं.
Hi. So I know the vlog kind of got cut pretty abruptly. That's because my phone died out on me. I'm really sorry, and I couldn't vlog anymore that day. But I figured that I'll just quickly show you guys everything that I got from my BULESHWAR / CRAWFORD market outing, and I guess I got some really cool buys as well and some really like kick-ass deals. So let me just quickly dive into everything that I got. First, starting off with this lovely kurta right here. This mint green color screams summer. At least we have a couple more weeks of summer left, hopefully. So I want to squeeze in as much of my summer colors as possible. And this kurta is such a breath of fresh air. It's also very comfortable, and I got it for 300 rupees, which was I think a steal for this quality and this fit. So I am loving it. Next up is probably my most favorite buy out of all the things that I've got from this market. Starting off with these gorgeous oxidized Afghani earrings. They are so large and in charge that I actually love that. And I know watching me like this, you might be like, "Bhai, वो तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा भारी होगा." Especially this pair is like my top favorite because it's so big and chunky and it still looks so elegant and beautiful, and it kind of is matching my vibe as well. So yeah, that's why I wanted to pick it up. I got 3 earrings like this in total. Another pair that I got were these bird cage ones. I don't know how else to describe this pattern. This just basically looks like a bird cage to me, and I love how they kind of structure my face once I wear them. I feel like I can get a ton of use of this as well because the shape of it is so unique, and I definitely don't have anything like this in my collection. And last but definitely not least is this third jhumka that I got. I will say though that this one is slightly on the heavier side. I mean, it's just a little heavier than the previous jhumkas that I was wearing with the kurta, but still it is definitely wearable. You just wear this and that is it. You don't need to wear anything else. That's the beauty of this jewelry. Coming to how much I paid for them, I paid 250 each for these earrings. Honestly, I have seen a lot of Instagram shops where I've seen this exact same pair of earrings, and I've always wanted them because I feel like, you know, they can really amplify an outfit. But they were all for like 350 to 500 ke range mein. And here he actually said like 350 or something of that sort, and then I told him that I'm taking 3, so then give it to me for 250 each. But out of, you know, all the market research that I have done, I felt like these were amazing for their price. Next up, I have 2 bags that I want to show you guys, and I know this is not really a new style, but this is definitely something that I don't have in my collection. So I have been wanting to get something like this for a very long time, and again I feel like these bags are super, you know, on point, in trend right now, and I know that white can get a little dirty, so I don't really expect to be carrying this for functionality, to be really honest, but this is a cute statement, you know, bag piece, and you can definitely pair it up with a lot of Western as well as Indian wear, because you can, you know, just use it as a clutch. It looks beautiful. It also has a sling inside, and of course this, you know, handbag chain detailing is super cute, and yeah, expect me to be wearing this on my Instagram, yo. And if you're not following me there, what you doing? What you doing? I put in quite a lot of effort to make reels and stuff for you, so maybe you can follow me on there too, at Bosslady Shruti. Next up is another head turner bag. This is the one right here. This is so sleek and elegant. I love the half moon shape of this. I actually was contemplating getting this one in white and that one in kind of a tan color, but I was just like that one to white only. Like there was no other color that I really felt like spoke to me in that bag. This again I feel looks super cool with a ton of different outfits, especially for night outs. I feel like this is definitely a statement bag and I cannot wait to style it in a million ways. Next up, I got two waist belts, and I guess there was this only one guy who was selling waist belts over there, and they were like for 100 each. And I saw this one, and I fell in love with the bow detailing, and I also kind of thought the clasp system here was pretty interesting. So that's why I picked this up, and it was, like I said, for 100 rupiah, 100 rupees. So could not give this a miss. And secondly, I got this, plain gold waist belt. I feel like something like this, I feel like it can definitely add a, interesting detail to your monochrome outfit, or even if you're wearing like an Indian outfit, a gold belt like this can add that interesting element to your outfit. Even without going too dramatic, it can really add like, an interesting element. So that's why I wanted to get something like this. So when I saw this, I just got it, and again, this was for 100 rupees. Next up, I got 3 pairs of really cheap, affordable sunglasses. The thing with me is, I am very, very bad, and I mean very bad with taking care of my sunglasses. I'm just the wrong kind of person for expensive sunglasses. Like, I am very, very forgetful. मैं भूल जाती हूँ चीजें यहाँ वहाँ, and I'm just I don't deserve expensive designer sunglasses, and I have accepted that fact, so that's why we buy them for cheap. Yay! These two were the first ones that I got. I got them for, I said together I got them for 300, so they were like 150 rupees each. And I especially liked this cheetah print one because I felt like it was giving me like very Gigi Hadid vibes. I actually am not a big animal print fan, but I like adding, small elements in my outfit which have animal print. And the only way that I like incorporating animal print is by, adding accessories into my outfit which kind of have some kind of an animal print. And I love this, this, when I wear this, it gave me Gucci. It gave me expensive. It gave me one-way model. So yeah, I was just like, this looks really, really expensive and chic. So that's why I wanted to get these. Next up are these super cool white pair of sunglasses that I got. Again, I feel like these make you look very rich, very expensive, and I feel sunglasses should do that for you. Like, anytime I wear sunglasses, I just want to feel like I'm that bitch. I'm booked and busy, and I don't need y'all to talk to me because I'm like catching my private jet to go to Miami. You get what I'm saying? Even though I don't have the money for either of those, any of the activities that I stated before, at least I can look the part and we can fake it till we make it. So yeah, sunglasses, white, check. And then walking by, I saw these pair of sunglasses. You must have seen me in the vlog last May. I was wearing this only. I loved how they looked on me. I feel like they fit really well. Like, that's what I like the most about them. They fit really, really well. And this shape is not too big, not too small, and it will go with a ton of formal as well as casual outfits. So that's why I wanted to pick this up. And next up, I got something that I feel I really, really needed and desperately needed were organizers, like these jewelry organizers. I've been buying so much jewelry lately that I definitely needed something to put all of that jewelry in, because even in my previous video, I shopped for so many earrings that I just needed like a box to put them in, and this one is a bigger one and this one has smaller boxes, but I got both of them for about say 220 rupees. And yeah, I think they are a great buy, because even on Amazon and stuff I have seen them for like each for about say 200, like 175, 200, and I got both of them for 220, which was a great deal. Next up, I got some really cute hair accessories. I got these 3 hair accessories. I saw these, they were for 100 rupees each, which is a great price, because everywhere else I've seen these, they have been at least for like 200 or more, and even on Amazon the same ones are, like I said, 200, 250. So I felt like this price, I just wanted to grab as many. These I especially got because I felt like whenever I do like Indian content, something about having flowers in the hair just adds that beautiful like feminine look, and I really wanted to and that's why I really wanted to get these to kind of experiment and see how they look. I've been loving wearing a lot of Indian wear lately. I don't know if you guys can tell, but yeah, I just wanted to get these to experiment with. So let's see. I hope I'm able to, you know, let my creative juices flow and make some lovely hairstyles with these hair pieces. So yes, that is it. That is everything that I got from Crawford Market and BULESHWAR Market. I actually didn't get to go inside the jewelry section that they have in BULESHWAR Market because we needed to go to Crawford also. But maybe next time I'll explore that a little more. Also, Crawford Market has the most amazing exotic fruits. At this time, I really wanted to get some, but I stay so far away. Getting all of that back even in the cab, I felt like it was too much, so I couldn't do that. But I know that. But it was a treat to the eyes to watch like so many exotic fruits, and even like your imported chocolates and all of that you get at Crawford for a very, very affordable and cheap cost. So you guys can definitely check that out when you go there. And yeah, let me know if you have any other markets that you want me to explore. I don't know, when the weather is like this, I really feel like I want to, you know, check out markets and go to them and see what's out there. Of course, I do a lot of online shopping, but it's a different high to get to go to the market and bargain a little bit and get your hands on the best stuff. Like, ladies, like comment down below and let me know that you guys live for that ish, because I live for that ish. I don't care. Honestly, tomorrow, even if I have a lot of money, I will miss street shopping. Like, I'm such a middle class street shopper that kalko, even if I buy a Dior and Prada, nothing beats the joy of street shopping, honestly. So let me know in the comments down below which market you want me to explore. I'm really in the mood to explore like a couple of markets around Bombay. So yeah, let me know and subscribe to my channel. Hello, subscribe to my channel if you already haven't, and hit that notification bell to be notified every time Mwah makes a video. And like I always say, keep it bossy.